Hello there! In this video I want to show you how to use Redesigned Notes application with iOS 18 on the iPhone 15. Let's get started. So with this new update, Notes application has become much more interesting and has new cool features. Let me show you. Let's open this Notes application, and first thing we can do is to record an audio. For this, just tap the icon and here choose record audio. Now let's say something, for example, "Hi, this is video about an iPhone 15. Now tap this pause button, and here you can also tap this icon and you'll see everything that you have said just in the text format. If you want to save the note, you just need to tap this done button, and here's your new recording. To delete it, you just need to press and hold it and select this button delete. Now we can also change the color of the text now. So let's just type in something like hello. Now I'm gonna just copy this text. Here tap on these letters, and now you can see this pen icon which we can tap, and right here choose the color. We have several options, so I think that's enough to just highlight what's important to you. For example, let's choose purple, and here is how it will look. The next cool feature I want to show you is mathematical calculations right in the Notes application, so you don't need a calculator now. So for example, let's add 4 plus 4. Don't forget to put this equal mark. And here's the answer. You can do just the same with multiplication. Let's check it. Put the equal mark, and here's how it looks. Also, you can do just the same with the division. So just use, let's remove this, put the equal mark, and here's how it looks. This is quite impressive, isn't it? Now you can also reorganize your notes using hashtags and folders. Just return back to the folders. Here to create a new folder, you will need to tap this icon. You can rename it, and also you can make into smart folder. Select this option. After this, select filters, for example, tags. Here you can select all selected tags, and here you can add some. I have already personal tag and receipt, so you can add something more, for example, work. Let's just add a hashtag and type in work. So here is how it will look. Just tap the done button and save the changes. Great. Now also you can share your notes with friends for the collaboration. For this, you just need to create any note, then tap this share icon, and now you can see this option to collaborate. Now just choose any person you want to send this message, this note, tap the send button, and now I'm gonna show you how it will look. So let me just take my other device. Here I can see this invitation. Let me just move it like this. I can see this invitation on the other device, so I'm just gonna open it. Wait a couple of seconds till it retrieving. Now select to open. Wait a couple of seconds till it will be loading, and here I can add something. For example, I'm gonna choose hi, and you can see how it appears on my main device on the iPhone 15. So even this red heart appears. Tap this down button, and also here you can see my profile icon from this device. So now you can create notes with your friends, which is really helpful for work projects, for example. And that's it for today. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.